Welcome to another quick and easy Roblox tutorial. If you want to keep your gaming experience more private and stop Roblox from sharing your activity updates with others, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide your experience activity updates on Roblox Web using your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and head over to roblox.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Roblox page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From there, select Settings to enter your account configuration area. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several options on the left side of the screen. Things like account info and security. But you want to focus on privacy and content restrictions. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can control exactly who sees what on your Roblox profile. Now scroll down or look for the section labeled Visibility and Private Servers. This is where you can manage who gets to see your current game activity and updates. Click on Visibility to open up those options. Here, you'll find settings for who can see your current experience, who can join you, and more. But the key setting for today is Share Activity Updates. This option lets Roblox broadcast your recent activity to your friends. If you want to keep things low-key, you'll want to turn this off. Simply click the toggle or checkbox next to Share Activity Updates to disable it. That's all you need to do. Your Roblox activity updates will now be hidden from your friends and followers. Remember, these privacy settings are powerful tools to help you control your online presence. If you ever want to change things back, just follow the same steps and re-enable the options you want. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your experience activity updates on Roblox Web using your PC. If this tutorial helped you out, consider sharing it with other Roblox players who might want a little more privacy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!